Hi, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my WNR. Today I'm going to rap Plave, one of my favorite. So let's get started. Original by this is cover. Okay. Oh, see, wow! I love his vocals. I love his voice. It's so warm. It's so gentle. It's so pure, and it's really fit to the mood of the song, guys. Right? Oh my god. You can absolutely feel the emotion that he put into the lyrics, guys. It's like he's telling his personal story. I don't know the feels. Voice. Beautiful. See? That piano backing is simple but really beautiful. The fact that it's letting his vocals stand out, guys. I don't know, I love the connection, the yes, it's a connection between the piano and the vocalist. I love the melody. It's so peaceful, and this feels like a heartfelt performance. That's what I feel, guys. See. See, see that piano and his voice together create such a beautiful atmosphere. I don't know. By the way, I love the song. I love the song. You better sing. You better sing. Oh my god, the emotion just keeps growing, growing and growing. Okay. Why I am feeling sad right now? Dun, dun. A plus, amazing, absolutely. The way he sings feels like it's full of meaning, and the feels, guys, the feels is so real. What I felt hearing his vocals, this performance is, it's emotional but also comforting. That's what I felt hearing this performance, this amazing, breathtaking performance. I love his voice. He can sing, and the piano. Yes. Okay, so this is the end of my reaction. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.